Welcome to BlackJackSpecial.
Hey guys, here she is. Woo! Finally! The moment we all been waiting for. Yeah, I'm so excited, honestly. Like, I'm so excited. Like, this is unreal right now. You guys, this is unreal, guys. Like, she's running. Oh, listen to that thing. Listen to that thing. Oh my god. A second. Sorry about that. Listen to this thing. Oh, and the carbon fiber spoiler looks really nice on it too. We'll see if this thing's gonna fly off or not. Yeah. Damn, bro, that motor dying is just. Listen to that thing. Jumping right there like a little, like some LS or something. I know LS in this bitch though. VQ, baby, VQ. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited, man. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. We've been waiting. Oh, waiting to get back into this thing. Oh, it's been a long road. Here we are, guys. So nice, so clean. About to drive her home. Okay, let me record this thing. Oh my god, dude, honestly, man, thank you so much, man. Caught all over again. Oh, that's the other one, right? Yeah. Oh shit, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Oh damn, bro, it looks so sick, man. So sick. Oh my god, like, this is unreal. Now look at this, bro. You hear that idle? That shit is crazy. Check out this other G37 right there that just pulled up. I think I know what exhaust he has. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go for a drive soon, and we get to hear this thing. We get to drive this thing. Like, oh my god, I can't believe this day has finally came. Oh my god, you guys have no idea. I'm so excited. Oh my god, look how clean this is, man. Look how clean this is. Oh my god, we got a lot of work to do. Look how clean she is. Look how clean she is. So I got winter tires on right now. Don't watch that, but this thing sounds fucking crazy. Sounds better than my last setup, I think. I don't know, we'll see once I start driving. We shall see. Clean, sounds so clean. Bro, look what I'm in. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, the car has a few little things about it that I gotta, you know, deal with and stuff, but it's a little rough for the drive home. We'll figure things out. Also, it could be I haven't driven this car in a long time. Also, the clutch is new, different clutch. Also, I just got in a short shifter, so you know what I'm saying, just trying to get used to the car a little bit, and then maybe I can start doing a proper video. Then I can start doing videos on the car. Anyways, I gotta enjoy my drive home. brakes. I need brakes. Okay, you hear that? This car gotta get fucking, I gotta raise this thing way too fucking low. Look, I can't even go over a fucking speed bump without scraping. Hello?
Is that you?
You hear it?
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. I can't tell. I can't tell. So,
Okay, well, I gotta let you go anyways, because I gotta go back on break.
okay. All right then.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, man. Just got here from that little drive. I lost like a lot of the footage and stuff, but still got to button up a few things. Here she is. Finally, moto's finally done. Obviously, this thing is way too fucking low, so we're gonna have to fix that. Jack the car up a shitload. There's no spacers on there now. They had to remove the spacers. I'll get you guys up to speed, but yeah, here it is. Here it is.